This segment provides information on the use of the Superkrimp. The Superkrimp is capable of handling a variety of hose sizes up through the sizes you see listed on the screen. Your Superkrimp machine comes with a serial number for registration purposes. Because the Superkrimp is designed to handle a larger size hose, several sets of large color-coded dies may be purchased separately. They can handle the 43 series fittings up to the 79 series fittings. Because these dies are larger and heavier, they come in two pieces for convenience and handling. The Superkrimp also comes with an adapter bowl for the smaller dies. If you're using the larger dies, take the adapter bowl out. You can't make a mistake because the smaller dies fall through the bowl and the larger sizes won't fit in the adapter bowl. First, refer to the Parkrimp decal to select the right dies. Also check if the spacer ring or spacer plate is needed. We'll first demonstrate with smaller dies. Since this job calls for half-inch hose, the blue dies are the right ones to use. Put the adapter bowl in place. Then drop the dies in the Superkrimp's adapter bowl, making sure to leave the gap in the front. That makes it easier to remove a bent stem fitting. Next, insert the spacer ring. With the Superkrimp, the silver die ring is in two pieces, with the back piece attached to the pusher. This makes it easier when you're working with some of the larger size fittings. Pull the pin inside the pusher to lower the back half of the die ring. Next, insert the hose assembly from the bottom. Adjust it so the bottom of the fitting shell sits on the park-aligned step in the dies. Now insert the front half of the die ring. Holding the hose lightly, lower the pusher by pulling the valve handle towards you. Wait until the die ring is bottomed on the base, then push the valve handle away from you. The pusher will retract, enabling the die separator to open the dies. Then remove the assembly. It's also a good idea to confirm the crimp diameter for each assembly. You can find the correct diameters on the Parkrimp decal, in the Parker Hose Products Division 4400 catalog, or online at Crimp Source. And finally, remove any particles in the hose with compressed air and cap if necessary to avoid contamination. When making larger assemblies with the Superkrimp, the process is similar. The main differences are that you don't use the adapter bowl or spacer ring, and to crimp a bent stem fitting, you put the back half of the die in first, put the hose assembly in place, then insert the front half of the die. Beyond that, the rest of the process is the same. You lower the pusher by pulling the valve handle toward you, wait until the die ring is bottomed on the base, then push the valve handle away from you. When the pusher retracts, the die separator opens and you can remove the assembly. And that's the basics of your Superkrimp machine. If you need more information, please refer to your technical manual. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with the Parkrimp difference.